Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the simplest medium that you'll use consistently: app, spreadsheet, or paper. Once chosen, immediately log the date, start time, activity type, duration, and intensity as % or RPE so data is comparable. You should also write down your current goals and baseline metrics like weight, reps, 1 RM, and body measurements. Make sure to standardize units now. Doing this prevents confusion later and gives you a reliable starting point for progress tracking. You now move into consistent, precise recording for every session. For each exercise, write sets, reps, load, rest times, and tempo when it matters so you can assess volume and progress. Once done with numbers, jot subjective context. Sleep quality, stress, soreness, and motivation, these explain fluctuations. Make sure to tag sessions as strength, conditioning, mobility, or rehab so filtering is easy. If you use a spreadsheet, add formulas for weekly volume. If an app, learn its export features for deeper analysis. You finish by establishing a routine review and adjustment cycle. Each week, scan trends for plateaus, steady progress, or spikes in volume and intensity. This informs deloads and progression rates. When adapting the plan, swap exercises or tweak recovery based on logged soreness and performance. If performance drops unexpectedly, troubleshoot. Verify data entry accuracy, confirm consistent measurement methods, and ensure you recorded subjective factors. If problems persist, reduce load or rest more. The log tells you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.